pretty constant if you think about it. Right from that one cell, when we were born, it went on multiplying and it became into us, like entire body. But what is changing? The patterns in which that DNA is being displayed is changing. Because the little RNA messages are changing all the time, constantly. And there are now ways to study what RNA messages are being sent by the cells. So you must have heard of gene mutations, gene alterations, gene mutations. Gene mutations lead to cancer many times, right? But also not just the mutations, but the RNA patterns. And the RNA patterns are largely affected by how we eat, exercise, all of our habits, all of those things too. So it's the pollutants from the environment, all of that is constantly talking to the 30 trillion cells, human cells, and the remaining trillions of bacteria and microbiome that make up our body. So we thought. So yeah, that one cell, and each of the cells is that complex, but look at all the different types of cells. Look at all the different types of cells we have in our body. So in the middle you see that stem cell, that circle, right? So let's see this, okay? Sorry about this. Yeah, the stem cell. This is important. Stem cells have the capability of converting into all these different kinds of cells. And how is that done? In a stem cell, in the nucleus, that DNA, all of it is on. So when you see छोटे बच्चे होते हैं तो सब कुछ करते हैं, right? सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. So many possibilities are open to them. A 5-year-old can become a doctor, astronaut, like musician, you name it, artist, right? And as they grow older, their likes and dislikes change, and then slowly ऐसे setting पता चलता है. कुछ तो क्या बोलते हैं वो in मराठी they say पाळण्यात पाय दिसतात. Meaning like genetically तो कुछ तो आता है, yeah. But environment, सब कुछ से ना बदल के, like when they become teenagers, you kind of realize, oh, this person is really good at sports. This person is very studious. This person is interested in bio, whatever it is, right? Slowly, how does that happen? One by one, things start. See, you have to choose selectively. So things have to shut down for some things to become better. It's like that. Now you can't be expert at everything. Similarly, the stem cell has to shut down some parts of the DNA and express some. Meaning, to become a muscle cell, there is a different set of the DNA that is converted to RNA and protein. And that's why these cells look so different. But these different looking cells have the capability of going back to becoming similar to a stem cell. Now the importance of stem cell is, first of all, it can become anything, right? Also, it divides very rapidly and it's so growing because stem cells are present in the growing embryo and as the fetus is growing, all of that. And then after that, they are only present in certain certain areas of the body, right? These stem cells are there, regular stem cells are there, but also these regular body cells have the ability to kind of revert back. And in cancer, some of these cells revert back in a very odd manner, like not regular. So they lose some DNA, they have mistakes everywhere, but they keep that capability to go on dividing. And that's how they form the tumor, right? They keep dividing fast. They don't care if they look like an actual muscle cell or a epithelial cell.
They just forget their work.
Correct. They just forget their work and start dividing. They become a tumor. So think about that for a moment, okay?
So much to think.
Yeah, lots to think.